This quilted medical pouch is perfect for throwing in your bag and taking on the go, so let's sew it together. First, we'll make the panel that's going to be the outside of our pouch, starting with the cross block. When sewing these pieces together, as with all quilting projects, it's super important to maintain that consistent 1/4 inch seam allowance that will allow all of your pieces to line up as you continue to sew them together. Once that's complete, we'll make this little stripe block, which will be the back cover of the pouch. Pressing after each sewing step is super important in making sure that everything goes together nicely and you don't have any weird bumps in the finished product. Adding the borders is the last step for finishing this panel, and then it will be time to quilt it. Next, we'll baste this panel onto some batting and quilt as desired. Lastly, we'll trim off that excess batting and set this aside to start on the inside of the pouch. The inside of the pouch has a few different pockets, so we'll start by pressing the fabric for the pockets in half. Then we'll layer the 2 larger pockets onto the background and draw a line down the middle with heat erasable pen. Next, we'll sew down that line and then use the iron to get rid of our pen markings. The small pocket gets layered onto one of the sides next. Make sure when you stitch this, you fold back the background so that it only gets stitched through that second pocket and not all the way through to the background. We'll also add a basting stitch all the way around the edge just to hold everything in place for when we sew pieces together later. We'll finish this up by putting the 2 sides together and sewing along one edge. Next, we'll add our elastic and buttons so that we can close our pouch. Just fold the elastic in half and place it in the middle of what will be the back of the pouch and clip it in place. Then we'll hand sew the button onto the front. Make sure you put this at least a 1/2 inch in from the edge to leave space for the seam allowance in the next step. Now we'll assemble the pouch by putting our 2 pieces right sides together. Make a mark for where you'll leave your opening and then clip all the way around. Make sure you keep that elastic clipped right where it is so that it gets sewn into the right spot as well. Now just sew all the way around, starting and stopping with a back stitch on either side of that opening. Once that's complete, we'll snip off the extra fabric in the corners so that they turn out nicely. Just make sure you don't snip through the line that you just sewed. Then it's time to turn your pouch right side out. You can grab a chopstick or something similar to poke into those corners and seam allowances to get them to lay nice and flat. Give this a good press to set all of your seam allowances in place and tuck in the seam allowance in that opening as well so that it lays nice and even with the edge of your pouch, and press that in place as well. Just finish this up by adding a top stitch 1/8 of an inch away from the edge all the way around, and you will have a completed medical pouch ready to be filled with all of the things you want with you when you're on the go.